Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to NCP's Easy English. In today's session, we will study future continuous tense. We will see where to use future continuous tense, structure of the sentences in affirmatives, negatives, and interrogatives. We will see these with examples. Before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and support me. If you like my video, click on to the like icon. Please share the video to your friends and well-wishers. So coming to the lesson, future continuous tense. Let us go through some examples. First example, I will be attending English classes from 2nd October to 5th October. I will be attending an action that will happen in future for a period of time, like 2nd October to 5th October. To describe an action that will happen for a period of time in future, we use future continuous tense. The action continues for some time, right? I will be attending English classes from 2nd October to 5th October. Take our timeline. This is past, present, after present is future, right? After now it is future. Here 2nd October to 5th October. Suppose this is 2nd October, 5th October. From 2nd October to 5th October, I will be attending English classes. Second sentence, Jacob will be working from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. on Monday. That is also an action that will happen on Monday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Right? From 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. means 4 hours, the action will continue. Now look at the third sentence. Rani will be playing when they arrive. Here there are two actions. When they arrive is a shorter action. Rani will be playing is a longer action. Rani will be playing is a longer action that will be in progress. They arrive, the shorter action is in simple present tense, whereas Rani will be playing, the longer action that will be in progress is in future continuous tense, right? I hope you are clear. You can take another example like they will be working when I reach there. They will be working when I reach there. That is another example, right? Look at the fourth sentence, third case. Right? She will be studying at 7 p.m. An action that will be happening at a particular time, 7 p.m. Look at the fifth sentence. Will you be giving your pen? This is an interrogative sentence, a polite request. Right? These are the cases where we use future continuous tense. Now, negatives and interrogatives. Look at the first sentence. Rani will be sleeping by 9 p.m. The negative will be Rani will not be sleeping by 9 p.m. Will, after that, not. Rani will not become won't be sleeping by 9 p.m. Right? Second sentence. They will be working from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. tomorrow. They will not be working from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. tomorrow. They won't be. Will not become won't. So the structure of the sentence will be subject plus will plus not plus be plus V1 form of verb with ing plus rest of the sentence. Okay? Right? Subject can be any person. First person, second person, or third person. I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Right? Now, interrogatives. In interrogatives, the auxiliary verb will come first. Will Rani be sleeping by 9 p.m.? Question mark. Right? Same way, second sentence will be, will they be working from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. tomorrow? Correct? So in interrogatives, the structure of the sentence will be will or shall plus subject plus be plus V1 form of verb with ing plus rest of the sentence. Right? The subject may be of any person. First person, second person, or third person. I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't done it. Please keep the bell button on. If you like my video, click on to the like icon. Please share the video to your friends and support me. Now we will see where we should not use future continuous tense. As I told you in my earlier session, with dative or state verbs, we can't use ing form. That is applicable for future continuous tense also. The main verbs are dynamic or action verbs, state or stative verbs. Examples of action verbs: work, run, skip, beat, shout, etc. State verbs examples are cost, love, like, have, etc. With state verbs, we can't use ing form and we can't use future continuous tense also. For example, this car will be costing rupees 5 lakhs. This is a wrong sentence. Cost ing is not possible. So the correct sentence will be this car will cost rupees 5 lakhs. One more example. I will be loving my child. Again, it is a wrong sentence. Will be loving. This love is a stative verb. So, I will love my child. One more sentence. I will be having a good friend. Here again, it is wrong. I will have a good friend is the correct sentence. Right? Friends, I am sure you have well followed future continuous tense. If you have any doubt or query, do let me know. Use the comments column given at the end of the video. I will again come to you with another lesson in my next session. Have a nice time. Bye bye. See you.